My name is Joy Rolheiser, and I'm the current Platform Engineering Manager here at Crestline. Here at Crestline, we help save lives by designing and manufacturing ambulances, new ambulances, as well as we take old ambulances and refurbish them into new or like new again. And then we are also a bus dealer. I work with a team of engineers and technologists that provide product designs to the production floor for them to build so we can have end products being the ambulance. We provide drawings and schematics out to around 250 production staff daily. So I do a lot of scheduling and project management for the team that I work with. I also work with other cross-functional teams with communication and to gain alignment within the cross-functional teams. And I mean, my main goal is to remove any barriers for my team to ensure that they can be as successful as they want to be. The path I took to get where I am now was a long and winding road. So I started hanging out with my dad in the garage. Loved watching him fix vehicles. He let me help from time to time when I was younger, and then I helped more as I got older. So that really appealed to the mechanical side of engineering. So then had a little bit of a hiccup and got pregnant in between grade 11 and 12, or had a child in between grade 11 and 12. Finished grade 12, worked for a couple years just in retail jobs. Decided I needed to provide for my daughter, so I started looking into schooling, found the CAD/CAM engineering technology course at Kelsey, which is now Sask Polytech. CAD/CAM is computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. Essentially, you're working with designers or designing yourself to create a product. Took that course, thoroughly enjoyed the course. When I came out of it, I had a friend who enlightened me on what Crestline was, and I came here, and I've been here for about 18 years, working my way up. Started as a product designer, and now I'm where I'm at. So long and winding road, but worth every second. I believe some of the key skills working in the position that I'm in are adaptability and creativity are two of the major things. Confidence in your abilities and resilience with just the amount of change that happens, especially in the world of technology that we live in now. Those for sure would be key things. And just the desire to grow and to learn. I think what people would like about this type of work is just the fact that you're able to see the end product. And here at Crestline, we see that pretty quick. Like if I do a design or one of the guys does a design, release it to the production floor, within a couple days, we're seeing our product that we just designed out of our own heads. And that's probably the most exciting, to be able to see what you did physically in front of you and be able to troubleshoot. Maybe you had some issues, maybe something needs to be tweaked, but that's all comes with a continuous improvement of design. There are three major things that I love about my work. One being the people that I work with. The people that I work with really want to do a good job, and you can see their dedication and the love for what they do every day, and that helps me continue to do what I do every day. The second thing is the fact that we are helping communities by giving them a product. For me, that moves mountains. And the third is the fact that we get to see the end product. And that is exciting, just to be able to touch and feel it. So the job market in the future for our industry and manufacturing within Saskatchewan, I think, is very bright. Ours particular, we continue to grow with the ambulance manufacturing and just more and more customers from all over. However, Saskatchewan has a lot of mining and ag, and that continues to grow because we need to continue to provide machines for people to be able to do that and feed the world. The only thing I would add would be, if I can do it, being a young mom who worked through a bunch of different obstacles to get where I am today, like, anybody can do it. They just need the drive. Whatever you decide to do in life, do what you love. Make sure it's something that you are proud of every day. And that's what I found here at Crestline.